Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. Inshallah, in this class we are going to learn Leen letters, what are Leen letters, and how to pronounce these letters sound. Let us start now. There are two Leen letters, Waw and Ya. So these two letters are of Leen letters. Whenever these two letters come in some special condition, which we will read inshallah to the bottom here, then we make soft sound on these letters. Leen meaning is basically softness. Like when these two letters come, Waw and Ya, in some special condition, not at that time when these letters come every time, right? So when these two letters come in some special condition, at that time we make the soft sound there, and inshallah we read the examples, then you will understand more easily. The one note is here, a letter carries a jazm, like the sukun sign is called sakin, stationary. Like the Waw and the Ya, both letters have a jazm sign here, so we can say this is Waw sakin and this is Ya sakin, right? So remember that. So what is Waw Leen? You can see here the Waw Leen definition is when there is fathah, like the zabar, before Waw sakin. As you can see here, Waw Leen is, the Waw is preceded by fathah, right? So you can see Waw is a sakin and it is preceded by fathah. So at that time we say the Waw is Waw Leen, and then we make the soft sound, right? So this, keep in mind, the Waw should be sakin, and we say that ba, waw, fathah, baw, baw. We do not long as we long madda letters, which we read in the last class. And make sure to remember that here is a weak mud, not a mud like a madda letters mud. You should make the soft sound. So if Waw comes in these other conditions, so that conditions are not a Waw Leen examples. Now you see here, if Waw, like here, is not a Waw sakin, but there is fathah before, like the preceded the fathah, but there is no Waw sakin, so it cannot be Waw Leen. Similarly, the next now, the Waw sakin is there, is preceded by dhamma now, but it is not a fathah, right? So what we read in Leen letters, in Waw Leen, we read the Waw sakin is preceded by fathah, and now you can see here is a dhamma, so it is Waw madda, which we read in the last class. And the third is here, Waw has a sukun, but there is no fathah before the Waw, so that is this also not a Waw Leen example. So now we read the Waw Leen example in the word, as we say sin, waw, fathah, saw, saw, and you make sure when you read the Waw in the end, so you make the round shape of your lips, like saw, fa, fathah, fa, sawfa, sawfa, sawfa. So this was Waw Leen, and now we read the Ya Leen. What is the Ya Leen? When there is fathah, like the zabar, before Ya sakin, similarly as it was Waw Leen, like the Ya sakin is here and preceded by fathah. So this is also the same as like the waw. So before the waw sakin and ya sakin, there is a fathah. You have to remember this. This is a sign to remember the Leen letters. Like there should be fathah before waw sakin and ya sakin. So, and how to say then? Ba, ya, fathah, by, by. And if you see ya in these conditions, which are the wrong conditions, so there is not a ya leen. For example, if ya is not a sakin, but there is fathah before, so we cannot say this is ya leen. Why? Because there is not a sukoon sign on the ya. But the second here is a sukoon sign, like the ya is a sakin, but the ya sakin is not preceded by fathah. There is a kasra, which is ya madda letter, not a ya leen. And the third is ya is a sakin, but there is not a fathah before the ya. So these are some examples which are not a ya leen. So that's why we say in some special condition if ya comes, then that is ya leen, and the special condition is this one. And now we read the example in the word as we say kaf, ya, fatha, kai, fa, fatha, fa, kaifa, kaifa, kaifa. These are the Leen letters. Now inshallah we will do the exercise of Leen letters. Let us start now. I will read first and you can repeat after me. And also I will spell first and then I will read without spelling. So you also keep in mind first spelling and then without spelling, because spelling is the very easy way to read the Quran. So make sure to remember how to spell the words, the letters, and inshallah you can read Quran yourself after that. So the first is ta, waw, fatha, taw, ta, ya, fatha, tai. As you can see, waw and ya both are preceded by fatha. So we say soft sound here as taw, tai, taw, tai, like that. Similarly so on. Sa, waw, fatha, saw, sa, ya, fatha, say, saw, say, saw, say. Dal, waw, fatha, daw, dal, ya, fatha, day, daw, day, daw, day. Zal, waw, fatha, zaw, zal, ya, fatha, zay, zaw, zay, zaw, zay. Ra, waw, fatha, raw, ra, ya, fatha, ray, raw, ray, raw, ray. Za, waw, fatha, zaw, za, ya, fatha, zay, zaw, zay, zaw, zay. Sin, waw, fatha, saw, sin, ya, fatha, say, saw, say, saw, say. Shin, waw, fatha, shaw, shin, ya, fatha, shay, shaw, shay, shaw, shay. Sad, waw, fatha, saw, sad, ya, fatha, say, saw, say, saw, say. Dad, waw, fatha, daw, dad, ya, fatha, day, daw, ضي ضو ضي طا واو فتحة طو طا يا فتحة طي طو طي طو طي ضا واو فتحة ضو ضا يا فتحة ضي ضو ضي ضو ضي لام واو فتحة لو لام يا فتحة لي لو لي لو لي نون واو فتحة نو نون يا فتحة ني نو ني نو ني همزة واو فتحة أو همزة يا فتحة أي أو أي أو أي با واو فتحة بو با يا فتحة بي بو بي بو بي جيم واو فتحة جو جيم يا فتحة جي جو جي جو جي حا واو فتحة حو حا يا فتحة حي حو حي حو حي خا واو فتحة خو خا يا فتحة خي خو خي خو خي عين واو فتحة عو عين يا فتحة عي عو عي عو عي غين واو فتحة غو غين يا فتحة غي غو غي غو غي فا واو فتحة فو فا يا فتحة في فو في فو في قاف واو فتحة قو قاف يا فتحة قي قو قي قو قي كاف واو فتحة كو كاف يا فتحة كي كو كي كو كي ميم واو فتحة مو ميم يا فتحة مي مو مي مو مي واو واو فتحة واو واو يا فتحة وي واو وي واو وي ها واو فتحة هاو ها يا فتحة هي هاو هي هاو هي يا واو فتحة يو يا فتحة يي يو يي يو يي. So these are the Leen letters. I hope you understand about this, but if you have any kind of question, please leave a message under this video in comment section. And if you like this video, so please click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Inshallah, see you in the next class with new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.